Okay, good morning class. Please start for our opening prayer.
Angel of God, Angel of God, the Virgin dear, to whom God's love commits me here. Ever this day, be at my side, to light and guard, to rule and guide. Amen.
Okay, good morning class.
Good morning, teacher.
How are you today?
We are fine, thank you.
Good. So please, can you take your seat, class?
Thank you, teacher.
Who is absent this morning? Do
Non-teacher.
you have any assignment class meeting?
Non-teacher.
If not, I have a classroom standard that we need to follow during our class discussion. So everyone, please read.
Listen to what teacher says and follow directions carefully. Refrain from interrupting the class during instruction or group activities. Address any disruptive behavior immediately and respectfully. Maintain positive behavior towards classmates and teachers at all times. Tell the truth.
Am I understood, class?
Yes, teacher.
I have a picture. All you need to do is to identify the picture. Am I good, class?
Yes, teacher.
So what is this picture? Balmira?
Monkey teacher.
Very good. Kalante?
About teacher.
That's great. So it is an example of monkey and ball. What about the monkey has slide, class?
Yes, teacher.
How about the ball?
No, teacher.
Very good. So now I have another activity. All you need to do is to identify the picture again. Now, what is this picture?
Teacher.
Maria?
Flower teacher.
Do you think flower has slide?
Yes, teacher.
Very good. So next, Kalante.
A giraffe, teacher.
What about the giraffe? Do you think it has slide?
Yes, teacher.
Very good. How about this picture? James?
I think it is a ball, teacher.
Very good. About has no line or it has line?
No light, teacher.
Very good. So, what is this picture?
It.
Kalante?
Teacher.
Very good. Eating a line?
Yes, teacher.
That's great. So, the last is, what is this picture? James?
TV teacher.
Very good. Did you ever have lights?
No, teacher.
Very good.
TV.
Now, based in the picture, based in the picture, can you identify the object that have light does not have light plus?
Yes, teacher.
Very good. So, what do you think our lesson this morning? Scott?
Living and non-living things,
Very
teacher.
good. But living our topic this morning is living thing or non-living things. But before we tackle that, I have objectives that we may tackle during our class discussion. Everyone, please read.
At the end of the lesson, 25% of pupils should be able to identify living and non-living things, compare living and non-living things, participate actively in group activities.
To attain these objectives, I will encourage everyone to participate and cooperate. Am I understood, class?
Yes, teacher.
So today I will discuss the living and non-living things. So everyone, please read.
All living things grow, move, reproduce, and have senses. Non-living things do not eat, grow, breathe, move, and reproduce.
So while I'm discussing, I will show you a video so that you will understand our topic.
Hey, Kitty, is there some new mischief you're planning with your teddy? Oh dear, I understand your curiosity, but the teddy can't grow like you, me, and our lovely friends, because we are living things, and the teddy is a non-living thing. It's living and non-living, little kitty. Hey friends, in today's episode, let us understand how everything around is divided into living and non-living things and what makes them so different. Zoom in. Look around and you will see many things, right from a tiny mouse to speeding cars to crazy cows to the colossal buildings touching the sky. All these things you see, including us, are classified as living and non-living things. But the vital question is, how do we divide these two things apart? Let us dig deeper and seek answers. You see, life on Earth originated around 3.7 billion years ago, and today it is the only known planet bestowed with humans, plants, animals, and many other creatures.
So, do you have any question or clarification, class?
None, teacher.
So if not, I will group you into 3 groups. This is the group 1, group 2, and the last is the group 3. All you need to do is to identify the object where are below. So, am I clear, class?
Yes, teacher.
So, are you done, class?
Yes, teacher.
Now, I will teach you. I will teach you you really understand our topic this morning. So, what is living things?
Teacher.
James?
I think living things, teacher, is to carry the life process as movement, teacher.
Very good. How about what is non-living things? Okay?
Objects or forces that are not alive and do not have the characteristic of life.
That's great. Give him a Rebecca. Who can compare the living and non-living things? Start.
For me, teacher, when you see living things, use things that has life and grow, and rather than living things, doesn't doesn't life and doesn't feel.
That's great. So, now, prepare your self room because I will have a quiz.
Hindi kami makatuloy. Ano na?
Are you done, class?
Next teacher. Okay, start. Next teacher.
That's what the process. Wow, okay. Okay, that's all class.
Good.